Welcome to my channel. In this video, we are required to find the values of x and y, given that 15 to power 3x minus 2 multiplied by 6 to power 1 minus 2y is equal to 6.25, where 3x minus 2 is a member of the set of natural numbers. We often don't see problems like this where two unknown variables are given in a single equation. Normally, what we do have oftentimes is two unknown variables with two different equations to now find the value of the unknowns. But before I proceed, I would like you to like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and also share this video. Sharing is an act of love, and love doesn't cost a thing. What we are going to do is to first of all apply a law in indices, which is if we are given a times b brackets n, it will be equal to an times bn. This law is going to be applied in these two cases. So I have 15 as 5 times 3 brackets to power 3x minus 2 multiplied by 6 now becomes 3 times 2 bracket 1 minus 2y. 6.25 is 625 over 100. Now applying this law here, I now have 5 to power 3x minus 2 multiplying 3 to power 3x minus 2 times this also becomes 3 to power 1 minus 2y multiplying 2 to power 1 minus 2y. Now 625 over 100 is 25 over 4. So I can express 25 over 4 as 5 to power 2 times 2 to power minus 2. Yes. What I need to do is to equate powers of base 5. This is a number in base 5, and this is also a number in base 5. So I now have 5 to power 3x minus 2 is equal to 5 to power 2. This 5 will cancel this 5, remaining 3x minus 2 equals to 2, and so 3x is equal to 4, or x is equal to 4 over 3. Also equating powers of base 2, that is this and this, I have 2 to power 1 minus 2y is equal to 2 to power minus 2, where this and this will cancel out, remaining 1 minus 2y equals to minus 2, and so 2y equals to 3. So y equals to 3 over 2. Having found the values of y and x, we need to check for the consistency of the equation. We are now going to use the powers in base 3 to check the consistency. Let us remember that 5 to power 2 times 2 to power minus 1 can also be written as 5 to power 2 times 2 to power minus 1 multiplied by 3 to power 0. So these two cases will now be equated to this. I now have 3 to power 3x minus 2 multiplying 3 to power 1 minus 2y equals to 3 to power 0, or 3 to power 3x minus 2 plus 1 minus 2y equals to 3 to power 0. In this case, I applied the addition law of indices, which says x to power a multiplying x to power b will be x to power a plus b. So this law is applied here. Now, when we cancel the 3's out, what we now have is 3x minus 2 plus 1 minus 2y equals to 0. And so 3x minus 2y will now be 2 minus 1, and 2 minus 1 is 1. So we have 3x minus 2y equals to 1. We will now put the values of x and y here and see if we are going to get 1. Remember that x is 4 over 3. So 3 times 4 over 3 minus 2, y is 3 over 2. 3 over 2 equals to 1. Now this 3 will cancel this, remaining 4, minus this will cancel this, remaining 3. So 4 minus 3 is 1. Therefore, our x is 4 over 3 and y is 3 over 2.